cheat with my kids.
I have sex in front of my kids.
I'll never be ashamed of sex. My son.
Be breastfeeding, I'll be making love to his mom. That's me, bro.
That's how I get down around kids.
I try to keep their purity. I don't want to take their purity away while covering myself up.
They're going to be ashamed and cover themselves up. And I'm period hard.
So you can think in your mind, if I let another kid here,
I'm going to have to change the way I am. So she can't be comfortable around me. No, I'm going to be naked as fuck
in front of your kids.
My son comes up and grabs my penis. I let him grab my penis. I have sex with his mom. I'm making love to his mother. After I'm done, I'm laying there chilling. He grabbed my penis. And he's playing with my penis.